guys, I got this old Homelite chainsaw here. A buddy of mine gave this to me. It's not running. It'll crank over though, so the piston isn't frozen up. A couple of features on this thing. You can see here, it's got the, that's the choke right up here. Then it's got the on-off switch here. Okay, gas, oil. And then this one here is an automatic oiler. What I'm gonna do first is check out the spark plug. Take the spark plug out. A little guy. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get a new one. All right, back from the auto parts store, and the guy didn't have a champion plug, but he has these E3 plugs that he swears by. He says you don't ever have to change these things. Like it'll last 3 to 5 years for all the small lawn and garden equipment. So hey, whatever. This is actually the only thing they had, so I took it. But all right, I'm actually gonna test for spark right now. All right, this baby takes 50 to 1. So I got some moto mix still, 50 to 1. Put some of that in there, see if I can fire it up. Okay, got this thing, got that to run, and then I'm gonna go ahead and choke it. Chokes up. You can pull it, see what I get. All right, nothing. Go ahead and pull this thing off of there. Just taking all 4 of these off. Okay, I took this off too. All right, let's pull it off of there. Oh yeah. Okay, next thing I'm gonna go for is I'm gonna pull this thing off and see if that right there needs to be cleaned up. Disconnect that baby. Okay, it looks a little rusty. I'm gonna go ahead and take a wire brush and clean this whole thing up. Okay, got that thing all cleaned up nice. I'm gonna go ahead and reset it. I'll put that gap in there, about a business card gap in there. Business card's width. See my gap? Okay, got that back on there. Give it a shot. All right, that thing did not want to start. So I'm gonna check for spark one more time just because I adjusted the coil. So just to make sure, and then I'm gonna have to dig deeper. All right, still got spark.